Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to lose weight, you've probably heard a lot about diets, but let's be real, exercise is just as important. The right workouts can help you burn fat, build muscle, and speed up your metabolism, making weight loss so much easier. Today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best exercises that will help you burn calories fast and get in shape quicker than ever. Some of these might surprise you, so make sure to stick around till the end. And hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more awesome fitness tips. First up, we have high-intensity interval training, Psych-A-IT, one of the absolute best workouts for fat loss. Instead of steady cardio, HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by quick rest periods. For example, you sprint for 30 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat. This type of training keeps your heart rate up and makes your body burn calories even after the workout is over, a process called the afterburn effect. The best part? You don't need hours at the gym. A 15 to 20-minute HIIT session can be more effective than an hour of steady cardio. Try moves like jump squats, burpees, and mountain climbers to maximize fat burn. Next, let's talk about strength training. A lot of people think lifting weights will make them bulky, but that's a myth. Strength training actually helps burn fat faster. When you build muscle, your body burns more calories even while resting. That means strength training doesn't just help during the workout, it boosts your metabolism all day long. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups, which target multiple muscles at once. And don't worry if you don't have weights. Body weight exercises like lunges and planks are just as effective. Now, if you're looking for something that shreds fat and improves endurance, you can't go wrong with jump rope. This simple but super effective exercise is great for weight loss because it works your entire body while keeping your heart rate high. Just 10 minutes of jump rope burns as many calories as 30 minutes of running. Plus, it improves coordination, agility, and even helps strengthen your legs. The best part? You can do it anywhere, whether at home, in the gym, or outdoors. If you're a beginner, start slow and build up, and soon you'll be jumping like a pro. Another killer fat-burning workout is running or sprinting. If you want quick results, running is one of the best ways to torch calories fast. Long-distance running helps with endurance and weight loss, while sprinting can actually help build muscle and burn more fat in less time. A great way to mix it up is by doing interval sprints. Run at full speed for 30 seconds, then walk for 1 minute and repeat. This not only burns fat efficiently, but also keeps your metabolism high for hours after you're done. And if you don't like running outside, the treadmill works just as well. Finally, let's talk about a workout that's low impact but incredibly effective for fat loss: swimming. If you hate running or jumping, swimming is one of the best full-body workouts you can do. It burns a ton of calories, works your muscles from head to toe, and is super easy on your joints. This makes it perfect for people with knee pain or those looking for a fun, refreshing way to work out. Plus, since water adds resistance, every movement forces your muscles to work harder, leading to faster fat loss. Try doing laps, treading water, or water aerobics for an incredible low-impact workout. So there you have it. 5 powerful exercises that will help you lose weight fast and get in the best shape of your life. Whether you love HIIT, strength training, jump rope, running, or swimming, each of these workouts will burn fat, build muscle, and boost your metabolism like crazy. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more awesome fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fit and stay awesome.